Hey, it's Ed here. On today's video, we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin with Elliott Wave Theory. Again, today's video is going to be about this structure over here, again starting from the highs of 31k around the 14th of April, coming down in this very choppy movement. And let's take a look at what we have. My main idea is this one, where we have completed the wave X. We came down in 3 into W, 3 waves into X, and as X wave, or this basically the secondary structure here, did not retrace 90% of the first one. Again, X wave it is. So the expectation here for the last leg downwards is a 3 wave. So overall, what we were thinking previously was that we had a 3 wave here. This turned out to be a 3 wave as well, because again, we have already taken out the lows. So it has to be a 3 wave and can't be a 5 wave. Regarding time, 618 here, if I can zoom in here, is basically hit here at these lows. It's possible that this whole thing is complete at these lows, but it fits better as the one-to-one extension comparing this first wave W to this potential wave, wave Y here. If I bring this up over a bit, would be somewhere around, well, one-to-one extension. So we would have a better proportion in time in comparison to this. If it was to end here, which is possible, it would be a bit shorter in time. At this point, this again looks kind of impulsive to the upside. I did not get in on that as we did not retrace 60 or the golden pocket basically here. I was not here at this point. I managed to give a trade setup here, but again, it did not get to the limit order, so again, missed this whole thing. Another setup here was after creating this potential 5 wave here, we had a 3-wave structure coming down into that golden pocket basically up, and then we just pumped up. So there's a couple of different ways of looking at this. We could have this as a 1-2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So that would be the only thing I would be looking for at this moment. Taking out this high, actually I don't have an alert there, and then looking for a move to the downside. At this point, the main idea still remains that this would be the wave X of this wave Y. So we would be looking for a 3-wave downwards movement after that. At this point, we have rejected from the one-to-one extension of this move here, A, B, C. We did take out some swing failure patterns of these. Yesterday I tried to do a short on this one. It did not go the way I wanted. There was a chance that this was a 3-wave like so as well, because we did hit those, basically the bearish targets 1.382 with the SFP here. Did not play out and took a loss on that. We'll see how this goes. If it starts to reject or go below the previous lows here, then we might want to be looking at this again as a potentially completed structure. Again, the first macro or the higher time frame target, which was this one-to-one here around 26.85, is already hit. But to me, I kind of like the idea that we would have one more high here, and coming back towards the higher time frame or higher degree and higher time frame channel here that we've had coming down from the highs. Again, that has the potential of taking out this high as well. Potential swing failure pattern of that around 27.3k. And that is the main idea that I'm only watching at this point. The other ones that we were talking about previously, the diagonal and the X wave not being done, where this could be somewhere in here later on, are not that likely to me at this point. I do like the idea that this is coming down once more. The diagonal option, it's still there. Again, that would be something like this here, and that could be finished at here. That would mean that we would be most likely creating a 3-way structure like so. But again, at that point, we would be looking to short this in regardless of which case is going to be happening. If we are looking for that diagonal, again, this would be an ABC, where we would be looking for long setups later on for that structure to happen, if it does. But yeah, at this point, this structure WXY is my favorite at this point, and looking for one more low here to see what kind of structures we would be getting later on. These extension targets are going to be varying depending where we are going to be getting, but again targeting this 27-ish, 27.3k ish at this point. Until that happens, I'm still trying to remain on some of the longs that I have on altcoins to see if we can get a small pump here to maximize the profits there. But that's the update for now. Again, if you want to educate yourself, check out the following advertisements. If not, thanks for watching and catch you on the next one. Bye bye. Couple of advertisements here: Patreon Elliott Wave Basics course, weekly live streams and more Elliott Wave analysis. Udemy Elliott Wave Advanced course, including RSI, risk management, Elliott Wave strategies and time analysis, and counter trend capital, trade setups, education and community. Check us out if you're interested in learning more.